We have this junky microwave, and we're gonna put a big Ford airbag in it right here. It's a massive airbag, and we're gonna put the door on the microwave upside down so that the door can't open. So we have the cord that was off this, and we're stripping it to bare wire so that you can plug that side to the airbag and that side's the outlet. It's plugged in and ready to go. All the vehicles are moved, and now I'm moving back. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It blew that up. It blew it pretty good.
Is it microwave?
The wires are gone.
You guys aren't using the battery charger.
Huh?
You're not using the battery charger. Okay, direct.